Now, I will explain the ideal conditions for optimum performance, maintenance, and troubleshootings of tabletop balance. 1. Place the tabletop balance on a flat and stable surface. Level the balance using the leg ferrule adjusters and the inbuilt spirit level. 2. Warm up the tabletop balance for at least 30 minutes before use every day. 3. After warming up, calibrate the balance using external calibration. 4. Charge and discharge the battery regularly. If the balance is not used for a long time, the battery may stop working after a period. 5. If readings are not stable, charge the battery for 8 to 10 hours. 6. Keep the balance away from dirt and dusty areas, as dust can damage internal components. 7. Do not exceed the maximum weight capacity of the balance. 8. Avoid moving the balance from one place to another. 9. Avoid placing the balance near generators, refrigerators, ventilation systems, and other equipment that produces vibrations, as they can affect the accuracy of the balance. 10. Ensure that the direction of the air conditioner is not in front of the balance to prevent moisture from forming inside the instrument. 11. Avoid placing the balance in areas affected by air pressure from ceiling fans, air conditioners, and open doors, as these can cause incorrect measurements. 12. Place your materials on the weighing pan slowly and close the glass windshield gently when weighing. 13. Keep magnetic field objects far away from the balance, as they can affect its measurements. 14. Place the sample in the center of the weighing pan for the most accurate results. 15. Use anti-static weighing containers, preferably metal, to avoid static charges. Plastic and glass containers can hold an electric current, leading to non-repeatable measurements or drifting readings. 16. Below the minimum weight, the relative measurement uncertainty is larger than the required weighing accuracy, making the weighing result unreliable. 17. Calibrate and test with certified F1 class weights. 18. Use a dust cover on the balance when not in use to maintain its reliability and accuracy. 19. Ensure proper earthing. 20. Use a voltage stabilizer, if working on mains, for better results and longer instrument life. 21. Maintain a stable room temperature, preferably 23 degrees Celsius plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius, for consistent results. 22. Keep flammable and hazardous materials away from the balance. 23. Clean the balance regularly using a non-abrasive cloth to prevent dust accumulation. 24. Do not use the balance in high humidity or extreme temperature conditions. 25. Ensure the balance is free from vibrations during measurements. 26. Always use the appropriate accessories and attachments designed for the specific type of balance. Thank you.